So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm gathering some items that I'm going to be using to embellish. So we have some flat back white pearls. I also have like a wooden bow that we're going to go ahead and decorate with some iridescent glitter. And we are using two pieces that I thrifted. One is a tall candle stick holder and the other is a vase. So let's get started. Now for this bow here, all I'm doing is placing some Mod Podge in there, and then we're just going to put lots of iridescent glitter, and we're going to move that over to the side and let that dry. This glitter is so amazing. I purchased it at Walmart. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Dollar Tree DIY Decor, and this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, we have May's Design Corner, and we have Donna Decor and more. So these are the two absolutely beautiful pieces that I thrifted, and we're going to go ahead and see how we embellish using these items. So we're going to start out with those flat back pearls. I'm kind of looking to see exactly what I want to do. I'm kind of going with the flow here. Now what I do want to tell you is that hot glue and glass don't really agree with themselves, so I'm going to be using the liquid cement glue that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So in each piece we're going to do a dot of the cement glue and a dot of the hot glue for an instant stick. Now always remember that whenever you're using a permanent adhesive, you need to be in a well-ventilated area and allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time. Now, what keeps us moving is that instant stick from the hot glue, and this is what we're doing here. So making home decor doesn't always have to be expensive, guys, and you should never think that you can't do it or come close to what that piece is looking like. So what you do is maybe you want to take a picture of something that you think you can make. Grab your pieces as economically as possible. Dollar Tree is always the first option here, and then we go thrifting. Then we decide what we're going to do and make it as close as possible to that piece to make a home decor piece that can last in your home for years to come. So what I was thinking here is I can embellish the top piece and also the candlestick. So why don't we try to make this into one piece? I'm not sure, guys. I'm doing what you're doing, just going with the flow. Now, while it is true that using pearls sometimes can lean toward the vintage type thing, but I like sticking to the one color of the pearl, which is the white. And so this you can actually incorporate no matter what the season. Now, because I wanted to keep it all white, I decided not to put some like flat back diamonds on here, and that can kind of ramp it up a little bit. I wanted to keep it all white, more feminine like, and so really it just depends on your florals, how you embellish, and whether you're using a bow. Now, instead of using hot glue and that cement glue, I just wanted to glue the pieces together using the glue. So this did sit overnight. Remember, when these pieces were put together, you need to allow the permanent adhesive to dry 24 to 48 hours. So that's what we did. All right, so this is what it looks like, and it was a very, very good stick here. I really recommend that cement glue from the Dollar Tree. Now I decided I don't have enough pearls on here, and we didn't glue the bow. So we still have some work to do here. I'm gonna see you at the end of this. So finishing off with this pearl embellishment is my favorite because we all know that bows are in this year. Now, I think that this piece came out absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to take you over to the reveal. So look at this. I purchased the dishes, the new dishes from the Dollar Tree, which are dupes for the Mackenzie Child dishware. And I did pick those up in pink. And here is my gorgeous vase with the bow, and these flowers are amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.